Yeah, buddy, isn't that beautiful?
Oh, not a fan.
Having a kid is life-opening. We are ready to give Moses his own room, and so we're going to be putting together a nursery for him. Pinterest is just a really intuitive way to see how everything looks together. Pretty cool, right?
My album is almost finished and it's about to come out. This is the perfect time to try something I've always wanted to do. Pinterest really gets to know you, so it's become a safe space for me to save the things that I'm aspiring to be, like dyeing my hair a lighter color and kind of shedding the old, more meek version of myself.
Growing up, hiking and camping wasn't something meant for people of colour. That's kind of how I viewed it. It was always something I wanted to do, but I didn't know how to do it. You can use Pinterest to kind of see, okay, what do I need? Pinterest helps you discover and plan, but also gives inspiration to get out into green spaces.
Lovely. Done.
Being able to go through Pinterest, see those things and be like, I could actually turn my mood board into a reality.
See a brunette.
And it might lead into a different side of myself that I didn't know about.
There were a number of things we found on Pinterest. We clicked and saw the product, a little pin, and we're like, yes, I like it.
I feel like Pinterest is a place where I finally realized all that I'm capable of.
I'm hungry.
It's kind of forcing me to step into this more confident stage of my life.